فيديو جديد. خلينا نبص على الذهب مع بعض ونشوف على الديلي فيو ونشيل كل اللاينز دي. شفنا امبارح البرايس بدأ يبوش داون شوية عشان يتريس من الاب ترند اللي كانت الاسبوع اللي فات. هنرسم دلوقتي الريزيستنس لاين بتاعنا هنا الاولاني، او هنرسمه عند التوب ده هنا احسن عشان بيكونكت مع اللوز دي، وهنرسم ريزيستنس تاني عند الهاي بتاع لاست ويك. هنرسم سبورت هنا عند البوتوم ده، وهنرسم سبورت هنا برضو عند الزون دي. تمام. طيب هننزل على الفور اورز ونبدأ نبص نشوف فين الارياز بتاعتنا التانية. هنرسم هنا سبورت هنا، وهنبدأ ننزل على اللور تايم فريمز على 1 اور ونبدأ نشوف فين سبورت وريزيستنس التانيين. نشوف في سبورت هنا او في سبورت هنا. تمام. وهنشوف في resistance او هنا عند البرايس هنا was going up. It created a small red candle و it drove up again, ف this could be resistance وفي another resistance هنا. تمام. طيب خلينا نجو. شايفين طبعا هنا في برضو support عند ال two candles هنا، و connecting support عند الكاندلز دي برضو فهنرسم another support مهمة برضو هنا. هننزل على اللور تايم فريمز ونبدأ نشوف هل هنحرك الزونز دي ولا هنرسم مور زونز. هنبدأ نرسم ده كده، وشايفين في هنا support is still forming، بس هو connecting مع اللاينز دي اللي هي كانت resistance قبل كده هنا rejecting. هنا البرايس rejected عندها امبارح، يبقى احنا شايفين ان ده كان الهاي بتاع امبارح، وشوفنا النهارده it broke above، فدي كانت الهايست برايس بوينت امبارح. ثانية واحدة، خلينا تو highlighted كده. فده كان الهاي امبارح. هنا البرايس pushed yesterday at this level and failed to break above. هنا النهارده شفنا اهو البرايس breaking above this zone، ودلوقتي currently البرايس هنا في الرينج ده. فهل will it stay here, will it break above and continue, أو will it come back down to this yesterday's range? We don't know. بس شايفين هنا في support, strong support formed. The price tried yesterday when it tried to break up, it failed, it came all the way down, it went down, up again. شايفين ال two candles دول red and green؟ ده معناها ان البرايس was just shedding off all the liquidity of sells. Then there is no wick in the bottom, and there is no wick in the bottom for both candles. It means price was selling, and then push the last breath of selling, and as soon as it closed below, the next one just pushed back and above and closed above. This means that the price is not willing to stay below this zone. As soon as it closed below, it opened and then pushed back up again and went up, came back down, created a support before it started to push up. Pushed up, created another support here, وبعد كده started to push up to break out of yesterday's range. يبقى عندنا النهارده البرايس broke out of yesterday's range, entered the new range. We have a resistance هنا, we is currently here in this current range. فالبرايس هنا في الرينج دي، هل will it continue to break above and stay above to retest the tops of last week and maybe further continue up, ولا it will come down to trade again inside these lower zones هنا أو هنا؟ We don't know, that's why we will wait and see. طيب what can we expect and how will we react؟ خلينا نشوف what are the scenarios. السيناريو الأولاني السيناريو الأولاني إن احنا the price to continue pushing upwards ويبدأ يبريك above 1928 مثلا. ساعتها ممكن نقول this could be an opportunity to buy, to retest the high of last week and maybe continue higher. But this is our first opportunity if we see a proper closure above a level دي اللي هي 1928. Also be aware من الماينر level اللي هو كان هنا ده، لأن this high could be similar to this low and the price was not willing to stay above this line. وما هو إلا كان إن the price when it reaches this level which is at almost 1930, it came down and then this was the last push before the close, because this green candle was the last candle last week, and as soon as the new week opened, we started to see pushing down. Maybe it will come up to this level, maybe it will only just come up to 1930 before it starts to push down or to face some resistance. If you enter a buy above 1928, be aware of 1930 as a level, لأن ممكن this strong reaction, this closure, this last green candle at the top, this could not be the target that you're reaching for. You might start to see rejections already at this level. تمام؟ This is the first opportunity to buy. If we're looking to sell, we need to see the price coming back below this level, closing or retesting 1923 or 1922.50 and staying below 1922.50 to say, okay, it will come down to retest 1919. So if I see closure below here and retesting of 1928.5, I could potentially enter a sell and targeting this level here, the other support at the bottom of this zone. But this could be a sell opportunity. If it wants to come down further, maybe the next target will be 1914.50. But first target will definitely be 1919 if it closed and stayed below 1922.50. These are the two opportunities اللي أنا ببص عليهم النهاردة. Trade safe, always use a stop loss. واشوفكم في فيديو تاني. شكرا، مع السلامة.